Hello, this is Brian from Large Family Homestead, and this is Joshua, my oldest son. We had built this quail house here. We're doing an update on it. It's been about 2 years, maybe a little longer, maybe a little more or less, since we put this together out of pallets and fence panels, and everybody's been asking for an update, so here it is. So with only minor repairs, this thing's been through, oh man, 70-mile-an-hour winds out here, multiple storms. It's been through a couple winters. So let's go in and take a look, and we'll show you what we've done to it. So the entrance is exactly the same. The door has held up beautifully. I don't know how many quail you have in here right now.
22.
We got about 22 quail in here right now. The back there we've patched up a little bit. Started coming apart a little bit. As you can see, the main foundation is the same. We got hardware cloth over the windows still that hasn't been touched. Now Joshua was using netting.
Yeah,
fruit netting to keep the quails in from getting in the walls. But since then, we have put up the quail netting. Didn't work that great. So I would recommend closing off the walls as much as you need to keep the quail out. So with the walls being done and the little patchwork up there on the outside, this thing has been incredible. It's all pallets. If you didn't see the original video, you can check it out. It's all pallet wood and 2x4s. The only thing that we've really paid for in here is the there's OSB for the flooring here. I think 1/2 inch, right? 1/2 inch flooring, and we put the blackjack sealer over that they use in a lot of people use it in chicken coops. But other than that, and the roof was paid for. I think that was about, we bought a bunch of old barn tin. Actually, Joshua paid for all this. He bought a bunch of old barn tin here. I think for like $100 or something. So
it's like 125. And then the screws and nails.
Screws, nails.
Hardware.
I mean, this was well under a $500 build. And how big is it? 10 by
12?
10 by 16?
10 by 16.
I think it's about 10 by 16, something like that. So here it is. Here's the update. Holding up. When we just built this, we built it not knowing, like, well, we'll just build it for now and we'll see how long it holds up. But here it is over 2 years. I think it's been over 2 years later, and it's still holding up fabulously. Now you can, add your own designs into this. Somebody was saying they were going to do one of these and put up 4x4 posts, which would be maybe a good idea, but I mean, we didn't need them. It was just for quail. Held up through 70-mile-an-hour winds, so we didn't need the 4x4s, but if you wanted to build a stronger structure, now he put some 2x4s like right there, put a 2x4 here to kind of tie things together, make it a little stronger.
Well, this is like the cheapest design too, so you'll add more money if you want to build it better.
Yep, if you want to build it better, we tried to keep the cost down as much as possible. Like I said, it was well under $500 to build this. So, cheap build. Remember to, if you like the video, like it and subscribe down below.